Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Ram 3500 and it is incredible. Bed liner, fifth wheel hitch, bed cover, Cummins turbo diesel engine, and an amazing interior. So, I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and dealer rated dealer of Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Ram 3500, and if you're looking for a massive truck that is a manual, it has a fifth wheel hitch, super amazing engine, and an incredible interior, then you're going to love this vehicle. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and dealer rated dealer of the year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have your chromed out grille with your Dodge badge in the middle, and you have these headlamps with your fog lamps below, and you have a front sensing system with 2 tow hooks. This is a 6.7 liter inline 6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, so have tons of power that you'll need when you're hauling big things with your fifth wheel hitch and your tow package back there. And then looking down at your wheels, these are 17 dual wheels as well, so you have that extra support in the back. So you have all of your badging on the side for your Cummins turbo diesel and your Ram 3500 heavy duty. Your side mirrors are chrome capped with those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated. You also have those towing mirrors on the sides as well to make it easier to see around your vehicle. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats with that Laramie stamped right there in the middle. They are heated and ventilated, so super comfortable. You have that perforated insert going on the side, and both sides are power adjustable. Then looking over at your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. And looking over at your media center, brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio. You have your other media options here, your controls for your heated cooled seats and steering wheel. And what I love about this is your backup camera, so you can see behind your vehicle, line up a trailer. It also has a cargo camera. So it has your bed cover on right now, but if it doesn't, you could be able to see what is inside of your bed, keep track of it while you're driving or just sitting. And then you have your other apps with Uconnect on these pages right there. Climate controls, which are dual, and then your navigation settings, so you can get to your destination really easily, turn by turn directions. And then your phone settings are here, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls, and text messages. And then you have your radio and your climate controls below that, with your sensing system buttons, your exhaust brake, traction control, all of your heated and cooled buttons, and then your trailer brake right here with your 4-wheel drive transfer case on that side and a 115 volt on the other with a USB port and a 12 volt. This is a manual, like I said earlier, and then you have 3 cup holders down below here. Your center console opens up to reveal a USB port, aux port, and a 12 volt, and it does fold up so you can fit 3 people in this front seat, 3 in the back, so that's 6 total. This also opens up again for more storage space. This does have an Alpine sound system for that amplified sound. You also have 911 assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and controls to your power sliding rear window and your sunroof, so you can let a nice fresh breeze flow throughout the truck. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder arm that can fold down with 2 cup holders in it. And these seats can fold up. It is split bench, so you can fold up either side. That side has your subwoofer with your Alpine sound system. You have your 2 cup holders here, and then this side has some storage space. This can fold out, a flat surface, and you also have 2 storage compartments in the floor that you can open up, take it out, clean it off, pop it back in really easily. Make your way along the side. This is a long bed. Again, it's a dually, so you can see that extra support in the back there. You have your 4x4 and your Laramie badging, and this has your rear sensing system tow package and your hookups right there. And let's take a look into the bed, where you have your bed cover up top, your spray and bed liner to protect everything in here, and you have that fifth wheel hitch in the middle for those big trailers. And this truck just has it all of that power, all of the capability that you really need, plus that amazing interior. So if you want to see this Ram 3500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit.
It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.